Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having an amazing day. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here. We do everything from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, accessories. We do a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. All right guys, so today we have our California Found for January 2020. So before we get into the box and see what goods we got this month, I'm going to go over California Found and tell you just a little bit about it. So California Found is a monthly lifestyle subscription from California, and it is filled with amazing products and items from artisans in California, which I think is amazing. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for California Found. So you will find in this box, it says the most talented makers and artisans for California creations, and it's a unique collection of chic items, and it's going to be a mix of skin and hair care, gourmet treats, jewelry, accessories, home decor, a little bit of everything. Now this does ship towards the end of the month between the 25th and the 30th, so you can't expect this to come later in the month. And yeah, it's just an amazing box. They do ship internationally, which I think is great. So if you want to get a little bit of California anywhere in the world, you can. Now, obviously, as with any subscription, if you go ahead and prepay for like a 3-month or 6-month subscription, you're going to save a little bit per box. But like I said, I'll put a link and all the information down below. But let's get in here and see what we got for January. So I've got my new little handy dandy box cutter. I think these are so cute. Came in a little 3-pack. Super cute, compact. Love it. My other one broke and I had been using just a knife, and I was like, you know what? I don't like just having a knife sitting in this room. So I ordered some new box cutters and I thought it was cute. So, all right. So when you open it, we always have our cards here on top, and then this is what it looks like. It's so gorgeous. Now the cards, we'll go over each of the items in the box as well as pricing, which I do really, really like. So it says, welcome to the California Found January 2020 collection. Happy New Year. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of gorgeous California artisan-made products. Look inside and discover treats to jumpstart your new year, share love with your peeps, and nourish your body and soul. And one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to one free box to keep for themselves or give as a gift. So look carefully and good luck. And it also says we're all honored to continue our ongoing commitment to 1% for the planet. Learn more about their mission at www.1percentfortheplanet.org. That is all spelled out. So they do work with 1% for the planet. They do give back, which I really, really like. So let's dive in here and see what goodies we got. So the first thing I'm seeing, this is awesome. And actually, even though it's in the January box, because this box does come later in the month, I think it was very smart on their part. But it looks like we have some Valentine cards. So this one says, I heart emoji you, like in parentheses. Love that, super cute. Hugs, kisses, and Valentine's wishes. You make life sweeter. So that is cute, and they do all have envelopes. Kind of see the envelopes there. So let's see what it says about these. All right, and this is from Missive Creates. Missive creates stylish letterpress stationery for the modern paper lover. Founded by designer Lisa Willis in 2009 as a creative pursuit, Missive has evolved into a stationery and gift brand focused on crafting unique, high-quality paper goods that you'll be delighted to send and receive. birth announcements, wedding suites, business cards, to luxe personalized stationery. Whether your love has withstood the test of time or is as new and fresh as the first day of spring, this month's selections will give you the Valentine's Day sentiment you need to express yourself with grace and style. And for the 3 cards, it is a retail value of $15. All right. And then we have where are you? Naked Herbal Face Steam. It's 2 things. Hold on. We got 2 things here. Is it 2 of them? No, that's something else. Let's see. So here's what it looks like. Get naked. Handmade, natural, simple bath body. All right. Get Naked is a handmade small batch company started by teacher Angela Johnson Rogers. Their mission is to create natural, naked products for the conscious consumer. Most of their products are packaged in eco-friendly or recyclable containers and include ingredients that are vegan, locally sourced, fair trade, or grown by AJ, so Angela Johnson Rogers, AJ herself. To AJ, being naked is about living as natural as possible, including what we put on our bodies. Start your naked journey with their calming and detoxifying herbal face steam to open your pores. Then mix the brightening sunshine mask powder with liquid. Coat your skin, let it dry, rinse with warm water. Gorgeous. So that's what this is. We have the facial steam and then the naked face mask in sunshine. So you can kind of see here it's the powder form. And the 2 of these together are $21. So we got some skincare. And then we have, this is from 100 Graces. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Do you see this? This is a amber necklace. 100 Graces is gemstone jewelry for the modern goddess. Inspired by crystal healing, their jewelry combines natural elements, vibrant colors, and bohemian glamour to create a look that is not only fashion forward, but also full of healing vibrations. All of their jewelry is handmade in their Los Angeles studio with only natural stones and sustainably sourced materials. 10% of online sales go to local charities in Los Angeles and Ventura County, California. We love the modern organic look of this month's amber necklace. Amber is said to soothe the nerves, enhance mental clarity, draw toxins from the body, stimulate healing, and absorb negative energy. We can't think of a better way to start the new year. And again, this is the amber necklace valued at $32. Wow. And here it says, amber soothes the nerves, enhances mental clarity, and draws in energy to the physical body. This organic gem is a powerful cleanser and healer with unique capabilities of drawing out toxins while revitalizing the body. Amber is said to absorb negative energy and transmute them into positive forces that stimulate healing. Well, we could all use that. I know I definitely could. And it is gorgeous. I love that. All right, that is beautiful. All right, then we have, a Spark of Prosperity, Soul Spark, candles to spark your soul. Isn't that pretty? And then you can see right there. Based in San Diego, Soul Spark creates candles to inspire your life and spark your soul. A Spark of Prosperity candle is made from a blend of organic soy, coconut wax with the clean, fresh scent of green tea. Make sure to read the affirmation in the lid and remember prosperity comes in many forms. Watch for the healing stone at the bottom of the candle when it's done burning and know that you can have more than you ever dreamed possible. That is there's a gemstone in here. I love that. So this is an 8-ounce Spark of Prosperity candle, and this is $21.99. Find a healing stone to keep the good vibes going. Ooh, that smells, it said a fresh scent of green tea, and I honestly didn't really know what that was going to smell like. That's just smell, I kind of smell citrus, but it just smells fresh and just like, oh, it really does. Like, that smells really good, y'all. And let's see, the affirmation on the lid: overflowing wealth, success, happiness, and generosity is happening to me right now. I have more than I ever dreamed possible. I love that so much. Oh, I love candles. And then to know that there's some form of a gemstone or crystal here in the bottom. And then the affirmation. This is just amazing. I love that so, so much. Oh, and it, like I said, it smells fantastic. All right, so it looks like we have one more item in here. We usually get a snack in this box, and this looks like a pretty big snack. So let's see. This is from Nora's Food Company, grain-free paleo snacks, original grain-free granola. No wheat, no grains, no dairy, no soy, no GMOs. A crispy, crunchy, gluten-free cereal topping made with unrefined toasted coconut, eggs, nuts, and seeds. You won't believe it's oat-free. Nora Remus uses her chef talent to make gourmet unprocessed snacks without refined ingredients, preservatives, or chemicals. Every ingredient is carefully sourced to give you quality snacks that don't compromise on taste and are 100% non-GMO. We love Nora's original grain-free granola beyond words. It's crunchy, sweet, nutty, coconutty, and totally addicting. In fact, some of us may have eaten an entire 6-ounce bag in one sitting. No judgment. Made by hand in small batches, you won't believe it's gluten-free. And this is the 6-ounce bag, and this is valued at $9.99. So again, there's that. I'm gonna do a little taste test. Let's see. Oh, that smells really good. Like, that smells really, really good. Okay, I see like a pumpkin seed. And is that maybe a raisin? Let's see. Shredded coconut, free-range organic egg whites, organic coconut sugar, almonds, pumpkin seeds, pecans, currants, walnuts, and sea salt. That is so good. Wow. To be so minimalist in what's in it, that is so good. So that was our January 2020 California Found. What did you guys think? I thought this was an amazing box. I really love the variety of products. We got some really amazing granola, an amazing candle, the gorgeous, gorgeous necklace, the Valentine's cards, and then the facial steam and mask. Again, the variety I just think is amazing, and knowing that it's all made by local artisans in California, I think is just fantastic. So I'll put the total value right down here for you guys so you know what the total value adds up to be for the box. Again, let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.